everybody, welcome to the show. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw another cool anime tutorial game. In this case, it's going to be another one of my favorite animes. It's Doctor Stone. I've done this anime before, but I think it's time to do it again, and I think it'd be really cool to show you guys how to do the anime. So here we go. I'm going to open up Photoshop here, and I'm going to show you how to do Dr. Stone. So the first thing to know about Dr. Stone is that he's very kind of a strange looking character. He's got weird hair. So I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to draw a circle. A circle is the most important part of drawing, and it kind of shows you how to do the drawing, how to base the head. So so we're gonna draw a jaw line like this, and you can turn off smoothing groups a little bit. It makes it a little easier. And then we draw the eyes. So the eyes are very important. Eyes are a very important time to make sure. And with the anime, I want to make sure you do the right color eyes. So we're just doing very typical anime eyes here. Dr. Stone. So in a second here, you're going to be seeing me doing the other details for Dr. Stone. So what I like to do is I like to do a little kind of dot for his eyes, and then he's kind of a certain looking dude. So he's kind of got some frown lines here, and the most important thing about Dr. Stone, I like to create another layer for this. He's got crazy hair. It's very insane. And he's very kind of crazy looking dude. So this is just kind of a sketch tutorial on Dr. Stone. So alright guys, so I hope you liked the tutorial, and I'll be coming at you guys again in the next tutorial. So see ya. Goodbye.